and I'm an iPhone photographer and digital artist. And in this series, we're going to talk about how you can easily shoot and edit with your iPhone, because most of us have these. And we're also going to look later at how you can create digital art with your iPhones and your photos. And we'll go into things like how to blend photos and how to do all kinds of crazy things to them that are so amazing and so easy if you just know the right tools to use and how to do it. So I hope you'll follow along on my new iEdit series, and I'll show you pretty much everything that I know. And if you have any questions or if there's anything specific that you want to learn or talk about, please put your comments down below. And this is YouTube, so hit like or subscribe, and I'll see you in the first video.